During yesterday's severe weather day, we saw a pretty interesting weather phenomenon happen in Illinois and Indiana. And I wanted to really quickly look at the satellite and what caused that. So, as for the past few days, 2 days ago was it Thursday? We had some severe weather going on in the Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, basically the entirety of the Midwest. And yesterday, which was March 16th, we saw a moderate risk for 15% hash tornadoes and wind going on in the kind of more Kentucky, Tennessee region, and southern Illinois and Indiana as well. I won't be going into this video, but I am going to be looking at the dust storm that happened in Illinois. I will be taking a future video for that, for more of a technical breakdown of that event. But let's look at our satellite for this dust storm. You can see some pictures of it as well. This is a big thing. Really dropped visibility quickly. You can see on this picture here how low this visibility is, especially right. This was happening. It was in the evening hours. People are coming home from work, so not a great timing. But you'll notice here immediately you have some of these severe storms going on, and as we know, severe storms often have outflow coming out of them, and that can really cause strong winds, even where you wouldn't expect them with near all the storms, or even just any wind boundaries at all. And yesterday we had a lot of very low humidities across our region. We actually probably I can put up dew points here. You'll see that our moisture wasn't the best. Immediately you can see here, more of the moisture is down south. We only have like 40s dew points in much of Illinois at that point. Here's your 50 line, so you're kind of struggling without that good moisture in much of this region at that point. That was basically blown out the day before. I'm going to get rid of these lines now. So when you get these strong storms down here, you can see our reflectivity is very intense storms down here. Notice right north of these storms, first of all, lots of bubbly cumulus. But then you'll notice right here, a little bit of dust. And immediately this dust gets shunted off right to the north, kind of like an outflow boundary, again, from this convection here. It really very accurate to where the convection was. You'll notice immediately, watch all of these cumulus, kind of cumulus, bubbly cumulus. Basically, they're all gone immediately after the dust gets through them. All of these cumulus clouds just basically disappear. It's really insane. And you can watch how this dust storm just unfolded and how quickly it happened. This might have even been under these anvils that you just can't see with the satellite, but very quick transition here with dust all over the place. The National Weather Service is very quick to get a dust storm warning out as well. But you can just see how intense this got immediately. And this went over the Chicago metro area, some southern suburbs, portions of northwest Indiana, but even farther up here. Unfortunately, once we lose the true colors, a little harder to tell. I'm going to use particle size band 6 here. We'll connect back to where we were. Let's see here. Back to that frame. It'll take a second to load. You can notice here, there's your dust again. I believe... Well, particle size is a day one as well. You can see this definitely gets even further north into Michigan as well. I'll see if I can get one more. I'm curious if the dust storm shows up. Let's see if it shows up on infrared. Be surprised if it did, but we will see. But I want to look at all these satellite imagery because it's really interesting just to see a dust storm going on in Illinois, of all places. You might expect it more near the desert southwest, but we are in Illinois. There it is. So there's that dust storm going. It looks like it really went for a while there and eventually peers out here in kind of central Michigan, likely due to some storms here. I'm trying to some storms here probably ingested that, and it might have even helped damper some of those storms as well. But the most interesting thing to me about this, again, was just how quickly you watch your cumulus, kind of convective clouds just disappear when the dust comes up. So just looking at this again, there's the dust, and you have all these little clouds, and they're just gone within a few minutes. So really, really incredible thing that went on there. And I think eventually these other storms here that were able to fire before the dust got to them helped to shunt all of that dust away from Chicagoland, it looks like. So the main gist of this video, I just want to show a pretty cool thing that happens on satellite. So appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys next time.